Hello mga friends! Andito na naman kami sa isang restaurant dito sa Baco. This is our third dinner here. At syempre, hindi na ako mag-uumpisa sa pinaka-entrance kasi nasa 4th floor to. Hihingalin ako mga friends. Ito ang aking mga friends. Yan, nakapag-order na kami. So, waiting na lang yan for our orders. Ang aming palang restaurant is overlooking siya sa Ocean Deep. Ayan. O, diba? Yan. Early dinner kami kasi gutom na kami from our full day on tour. I will show you our food later. Kita mo yan ang mga itsura ng mga gutom. Yeah. Nagdating na ang aming mga order. As you can see. What is your order, Puchi?
My order is chicken kebab that comes with lady finger, a bunch of vegetables, and a cooked tomato, which I'm probably going to eat the rice and the chicken only.
Seems to be
And then
delish.
apple lemonade.
Apple lemonade.
On to the next person.
Yep, on to the next person. Ninong Alvin, what is your order?
I forgot my order.
What is that? Is it chicken?
Chicken, baby chicken.
Baby chicken.
Creamy.
Sa akin yung baby chicken.
Say ba yun? I forgot.
And then kay Madam Damin, what's your order, Madam Damin?
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Nag-first kakala ko gusto mo naman.
And then, kay Joe, what? Wow!
Ito ay chicken lavangi.
Chicken
Lavangi.
La Vida Loca. Lavangi. Ayan. Ang inaantay na lang namin ang aming, inaantay ko na lang pala ang aking order. And look at outside. Mama friend. Ang view namin is getting beautiful every single minute. Wow. And this is
Ang
my
bango-bango
order.
ka.
I think this is for sharing. It's big.
Straw. Straw.
That is my right.
Thank you.
Looks yummy. Try your food, Puch.
It's
How was it?
absolutely incredible. But okay, chicken. Here we go. Now we grab the rice.
Deadly. How about you, Ninong?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah. The taste is 100%.
How's the taste?
Rate into 10, 10.
Okay, bago kayo mag-away, sabihin niyo muna sa akin kung gaano kasarap ang iyong fettuccine, madam.
Sakto lang, matabang. Okay naman, pero matabang. Natatabangan ako eh.
Hindi siya happy. Ikaw,
Ako masarap.
Masarap din yung manok.
kasi marinated, no? Ayun, kung gusto na nilang malaman, kung masarap ang kinakain ko, yes. It's a very masarap. It's hot, but it's very masarap.
Now let me try.
See mga my friend, andito na kami. Tapos nang kumain. Alrighty. Mga busog na ang aming mga bulare.
Busog.
Busog ang mga bulare. And as I mentioned earlier, is nasa 4th floor ang aming restaurant because, ay buloy ko. Because it's over there. Kasi it's overlooking siya. Ayan. And we enjoy the food naman. Did you enjoy the food?
Yes.
Naku, parang yung yes nila, di ba? Hindi ko alam. Convincing ba o hindi. Bye-bye!